Magbabasa tayo ngayon. Ini mo.
May has red coat. She wears
Hindi.
Hindi ako dyan mabuha sa luna. In going to school. Her friends we and to want to look at it. We and to ask me to play. When suddenly it rains.
Her.
Her red coat got
Stain.
She went home and washed it with soap.
Her. Ha? Red.
Red coat is clean. Then
Okay. So, ang hindi mo nabasa, be, is where and her. Her. Pag ito be her. Tapos, itong isa stain. Pag sinabi nating stain sa Tagalog, ito ay dumi. Stain sa Tagalog ay dumi. Kapag sinabi namin nating wears, sinuot. Sinuot niya. Sinuot niya daw yung raincoat, ay yung red coat niya papuntang school. Ito, wears and stain, tapos her.
yung palinang
Oh, her din to, parehas din. Oh, ikaw na. Ano? Ang hindi niya na 1, 2, 3. Tatlong words lang yung hindi niya na bigkas ng maayos. Umalis ka dyan. Isa, malaglag ka dyan. Doon.
Naglagun pa ako.
This one.
May has red coat. She wears it in going.
Ha? It in.
Nakapicture yung bahay namin.
Sige, basahin mo. Ito muna. Going.
To school. Yeah. Pwede mo ako pang hurt.
Her.
Hurt.
Ito. Her, ito. Her.
Ang sakit naman. Her
Friends.
I
Lee.
and
Pu.
double D yan nila.
Want
to look at it. Lee and who
ask
my
May.
May to play.
When.
When. Tumba.
Suddenly.
Suddenly.
It
It
rains.
rains.
Her.
Her red coat got
Esto. Stain.
stain. She
Went.
went
Bahay to ba? Ano yan? Home.
home and
Wa.
what
Wash. Wash.
wash and it
With.
with
Soap.
soap. Her red coat is
Ano to? Clean.
clean.
Ah.
Uh,
Sige, try mo lang. Again. Okay.
again.
Be, mag-practice ka, no? Tapos, bukas, pagbabasahin kita ulit bago ka mag times, no? Practice mo to, ah. Ito, mga to, no? Yung mga binilugan ko, yung mga hindi mo nabasa, no? Lani, ikaw na.
Spelling ka.
Spelling ka dito.
Wala ko.
Yung mga pang grade 6. Sige, be, dito ka na, be. Kunin mo na ito papel.
Ay.
Saan yung English nyo, Lani?
Ah?
English.
Cellphone?
Upo ka dito. Beo, bili kayo yung candy ni... Okay, Lani. Sa ito? Ay,
Yung
dami.
piso na yun nilang pambili.
Anong piso ba? Ito? O, sa inyo na lang yung ano, piso niya. Okay. 1 to 10.
Mamaya, kainin muna natin
Number 1. Readers.
isa.
Number 2. Example. Bugkarot, lagyan mo ng pangalan na tayo. Papacheck ko yan. Bugkarot naman.
Ano ito? Ne,
Dark. Number 3. Number 4. Shadow. Shadow. Number 5 is diagram. Diagram. Number 4, number 4. Number 6 is reading. Yes. Number number na. 7 is computer. Computer. Number 8 is boring. Ang dami naman numbers 9. Number 9 is narrating. 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 Number 10 is during. During.
Spelling namin yun.
During. Okay.
Mali yan doon.
I will check if this. And readers. Example, dark shadow diagram reading. Computer is computer. Boring. Narrating.
Dalawa mali mo at dami yan.
Ayun. Jury. Tatlo. Nanim grade 5. Ang ganda lang to, ah. Pero mo kayong binasa mo, be. Thank you.